Hey guys, coming to you from Command Central of Honors Way Group. I wanted to talk with you just for a brief minute about contribution. Now, we have the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, we know that, but the highest need is contribution or giving back. So as high net worth individuals, that is also on our mind, philanthropy. And the reason this is on my heart and mind today is because, some friends just went out and saw the new Jim Caviezel movie, Sound of Freedom. Awesome movie. It's only in theaters for a couple days, some select theaters starting July 4th. We saw it in advanced screening, so it was fabulous. It's an action movie. Jim Caviezel, the star of Passion of Christ, and it's also a documentary, so it's very, very well done. So go see it, take your family to go see it, buy somebody's ticket. There are tickets at angel.com, but go see it this week. And we're going to talk about contribution for a second. And the reason is, I do have 19 years of commercial real estate experience, and that buys you freedom to do what you want. Freedom on this July 4th, Freedom Day, to go where you want, to say what you want, to worship as you want. Freedom isn't free. We all know that. So today, our day looked like an extra long workout, staying off the phone, staying off the computer, getting some pre-planning done for your project, and doing a subject matter expert interview on a podcast again. So we're trying to get that knowledge out to you. So back to contribution. Some of you don't know that I spent about 5 years raising capital for people coming out of trafficking and abuse. 43,500 boots on the ground in the U.S., all over the world, and very dedicated people, and we need to be praying for them, we need to be giving to them, going to see the movie. So aside from the fact that we are immediately deploying your funds at 3.5 to 4 times returns, that 9% preferred interest is the current program that we're giving for 5 years. You're collateralized on the HUD Dallas property, that. And remember, you have $7 million of equity today to attach to. So you're in the property LLC. Now, who does that? Attorneys will tell you, don't let people into your property, but we're performers, and as a fiduciary, having worked with banks and trade platforms and SEC regulated traders, as a fiduciary, it's the right thing to do. So all of that about our property and what we're doing at the Prestige at Mayhill. When we're talking about contribution, Honors Way Group ties and gives out of our operating account. So what that means is we changed our business model because it was very, very hard for me to raise capital, even in the billions of dollars of trades that we were working on. Hard to raise money for 501c3s. So we changed our model. We're making money. We're giving people a safe haven to invest in. And we're also giving, and we're tithing out of our operating account. So we're doing that in the background because it's the right thing to do. Again, it's the right thing to do, right? So come along with us. Our property, it's a 30% cash on cash return at the worst case scenario. The target IRR is 67% worst case scenario. We are building 288 Class A luxury multifamily garden style apartments in phase 1. Excuse me. So our debt coverage ratio is about 1.8%. Very, very strong. For every dollar that is paid out to our vendors, the property is going to return $1.80 in profits. That's very strong. The bank is going to require 1.2, 1.3% debt coverage ratio in our numbers. And so we're super strong on a worst case scenario number. Our occupancy break-even point is 55%. That's also very strong. Our average apartment size is huge, over 1,000 square feet on average. So all of those numbers are great. Those are strong. It's a safe haven to invest in. Not only are you sheltered in this commercial asset, but you are multiplying your money. So feel free to go to the Honors Way Group website. I want you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get all of the free commercial education. On our Honors Way Group website, we have a QR code for giving back, for contribution. So the Venmo QR code that is there is for contribution, going right to people coming out of trafficking and abuse. And I know that the problem is massive. It's overwhelming. But we just have to look at that one, and we have to help that one. So, we covered diversification, we covered multiplication, we covered freedom today on this Freedom Day. And go see the movie Sound of Freedom with absolutely phenomenal acting in it. Jim Caviezel, actor, philanthropist. And you know what? It took him 5 years to make that movie and to get it out. So we're doing very well. And get back with us this week. We have a site visit and a special dinner for our investor friends and partners on Wednesday tomorrow. So we would love to see you there. And like and subscribe to these YouTube updates. God bless.